Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, friends. I am back today with a different kind of a video. This time I'm going to review the Philips handheld steamer 3000 series, which I actually bought it through Amazon in sale, alhamdulillah, and I got it for a good price. Now this is I got the white one, and this is like the very compact and foldable solution from Philips, and I did get it with a storage bag. Some of the series 3000 series, some of the steamers, they don't come with a bag, so this one does have it. So what are the good things is, like, it is 1000 watts and it up to 20 grams per minute. Best thing is there's no need of ironing board. What else? Now Philips guarantees that it is, like, it kills 99.9 percentage of bacteria, and safe for the garments. So yeah, and like I said, there's no need of an ironing board. I'll unbox it. So make sure when you're buying it that there is a sealed, you get a sealed box. Never get it, like, if you find there is an unsealed box, just return it back, okay? So I got a sealed box and I was happy with Amazon. So yeah, when I open it, I got a booklet with the how to use the steamer. So a user manual comes along with your steamer. Let me keep that aside. And this one is bag for the steamer. Like I said, this series, not all the steamers come with a bag. This one does come with it. So this is a bag where you can fold your steamer and keep it safe, and so really good for traveling. You can keep it and travel it easily. Now let me remove the steamer. It's really difficult for me to say steamer nowadays because I'm used to saying iron. I'm used to saying iron box. So this is something new. This is my first steamer which I bought. The basic reason for the main reason why I bought was, one is traveling, of course. Okay, this is the container where you will, like, so I'm showing you this. You just open this and the outlet, and you just pour your water in it. So yeah, as I was telling, the main reason I bought it, this is, one is travel, and the other thing is like, I wear abaya. So for abaya, it's like it gets difficult with the iron box. So like for that reason, and it's sometimes the material it's so light, you cannot do it with an iron box. So it's risky to do with an iron box. For that reason, I actually bought this. Nevertheless, I'm using it for other things also, but I'll say the pros and cons later on. So this is the switch where you just have to on it. Whenever you on it, you need to just start it and on it. Okay, now I'll show you to like steam one of my dresses, and then we can, like, see how it works. I've kept this in my bag, and this is how it is. When you're traveling, it's easy for you to carry. It's not, even if you don't have a bag, it's not like you can do without the bag also. So let me start. So I'm pouring water in it. There's a small hole, and this is a small container where you can pour little water, not much, just like 100 to 120 ml, that's it. So you see, it's full. Now it's just attached to the steamer. Taken a shirt. So if you can see that this is a cotton shirt, if you can see, there are wrinkles in it, so there are crease, and I will show you what to do. When you on this, you see like this light, This means that the steamer is not yet ready to use. Once you see the light is off, it goes off, it means that it is hot enough and it will start steaming. So I was waiting for the steamer to go off, and once it goes off, it actually it goes really fast also. It's nothing, not a big deal. It's like I've made the video a little slower so that you all understand the process. Okay, so now I started ironing it, and this was actually a cotton shirt which I actually hung uh, in a hanger on a hook of a door. So anywhere where you can comfortably stand and you have a switch point, you can just hang it there. This is one mistake which I wanted to show that I did. This is the first time I used, and I was using it continuously even after seeing that there was light in it, which means that it is actually not working. It has actually stopped working, and the steamer has to, like, it has to again reheat. Without understanding, I was doing it, and this, I want you all not to follow me and not to do the same mistake. But I think it is something which is like an amateur person who doesn't know much of the product will do it, and there is nothing wrong in it. But something just to save your time, I want to tell you all that don't do the mistake I did if you plan to buy this. I'll actually tell you all the pros and cons, and I'll give you my honest review. So first thing I will tell you about the good things, the pros. It is so really very travel friendly. It is very lightweight, it is very portable, and you don't have to be worrying about an iron box or an iron board anywhere, wherever you are traveling for. So that is like a biggest, I feel like that's the one benefit, when is the biggest benefit of having a steamer, and that too, which one is the portable one. There are two types of steamers which comes. One is the stand, which comes with a stand, like a big rod, and where you can hang your clothes. For that, of course, you cannot take it along wherever you're traveling. So this one is like very for travel. This is the best thing. You see, the light is on, and I'm still doing it. And all these things, I want you all to learn from me, not to do the same mistakes again. This is something which I want to tell you again and again and again and again. But even if you're doing mistake, no problem. We all are prone to do mistakes. Second thing is, the point which I'm telling, it has both pros and cons. The thing is, it heats really quickly. It does heat really quickly, and the steam is, mind you, it can burn your skin. It's that hot. I actually kept my finger by mistake, and the steam was so hot. But it's okay. I had the burning sensation for like few minutes, but it's fine. Okay, so this is the problem which I said, like it heats quickly, but it does come with a con. It's that you have to always, like, since it heats quickly, it also the steams cut off fast too, and you have to like wait before, like I said, I'm showing you the switch, the light. So it does, like, as it heats quickly, it switches off fast, and then you have to wait for it to switch on. This is one which has both benefit and a drawback, and it does not require an iron board, like I said earlier. These are the pros of it. And I'll say you what are the disadvantages of the product. Not that big, but I think which can be improvised. One is the small water container. The container is too small for this shirt. You could see there was a crease in it. This was the cotton shirt. I used at least 3/4 of that container. But for like a lightweight material, it will be you can use it the same container for twice. The second thing is it's time consuming. It's not like a regular iron box. Iron box, it gets ironed and it's crease free very fast. But for this, it takes a long time. Maybe for a lightweight cloth, it won't take much time. But for a cotton shirt, it does take a long time. So if you ask me if this is a necessity or not, I'll tell you. I'll ask you back for what reason you want to buy it for. If you say that this is something which you want to replace it as a normal traditional iron box, then I would suggest this cannot replace our iron box. It doesn't work well on the deep creases. So but if you want to buy this for travel purpose, yes, go for it. It's worth the money. And if you want it because you don't have space for an iron board and all, yes, you can buy it, but again, as I said, it might not be, don't expect the same result as an iron box. But this is good for cloths which has embroidery work, which has some zari work, or for the cloths which are like the beddings and the curtains where you cannot use your iron box. This is good for it. So it all depends upon you for what you want to buy. So now I come to an end of the review of Philips hand steamer 3000 series. If you think that the video is useful to you or to others, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and do share with your family and friends.